Hola a todos. Hola a todos. Sorry. Okay. Today we are looking at the verb ir. In English, remember that conjugating is changing the forms of a verb to indicate who is doing the action. In English, to go is conjugated as I go, you go, he or she, or it goes, we go, and they go. So in Spanish, we have, or in English, I'm sorry, Pablo goes to the cafeteria at 12. The conjugated verb is goes. Okay, in Spanish, you have Pablo va a la cafetería a las 12. Here again is the video.
Hey, Billy, ¿qué pasa?
Pablo, where have you been? You aren't late.
What do you mean I'm late? We don't have plans, do we?
Well, maybe you don't, but I do. I'm starving. Voy a la cafetería.
Much as I always enjoy eating, I was going to work out first. Voy al gimnasio.
Oh, come on, Pablo. I don't want to eat alone. Why do you have to work out first?
Because, Billy, I am on a mission to get super buff, super fast.
Oh, brother. Hey, Toña, Toño. What's up? ¿A dónde van? Hi there. We've got to study. Vamos a la biblioteca. You don't need to study. Come to the cafeteria with me. No, do not tempt us. We have a test. We have to study. Vamos a la biblioteca. Okay, I get it. So, looks like today it's lunch for one.
Poor Billy. Make sure you leave some food for us.
Don't count on it.
All right, so the sentences you saw, first one was a question, ¿a dónde van? And you should be thinking, oh, that's they, but where are you going? So where are you going? Voy a la cafetería, I'm going to the cafeteria. Voy al gimnasio, I'm going to the gym. And vamos a la biblioteca, I'm going to the library, or we are going to the library. So now in Spanish, let's take a look. We'll let it run here. I'll zoom in a little bit more for you. All right, so in Spanish, we use ir to talk about where someone is going. How do you do this? How do you form the present tense of this verb? It's an irregular verb, just like estar, and so you have to memorize it. It's kind of strange, but yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, plural is nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, and ellos, ellas, ustedes van. Notice there is still a pattern of the yo form having an O in it, and the to form ending in the S, and then take off the S, and you have the él, ella, usted. Throw the N on, and you literally have the plural of ellos, ellas, ustedes, and that's van, and then hemos is the nosotros one. So here are some examples in Spanish. Voy a la biblioteca, I'm going to the library. And again, another one with the conjugation, look at the word in red. Los estudiantes van al gimnasio. So the students are going to the gym. All right, use ir, really important here. Use ir with the word a. A means to say that someone is going to a specific place. So when a is followed by the word el, just like with just like with with they formed a contraction, right? With the L after it. So same thing here. When A is followed by the word L, the article, L, meaning the, they combine to form the contraction al. So you can see that with the masculine noun here of the gymnasium, los estudiantes van al gimnasio. And here you see it with a feminine the library. The article is la. So again, voy a la biblioteca. So really, what you need to know is when you conjugate the verb ir, you always put an a after it. So it's voy a, vas a, va a, vamos a, vayas a, and van a. Because the a again is always used to specify to a place. You're going to a place. The last example or the last note to make here is to ask where someone is going. And the reason you use a dónde instead of dónde is because you're again implying that you're going to someplace. So you have the a, and instead of having the a at the end in a question, you have it in front of the question word. So you have a dónde vas. It wouldn't make sense to say dónde vas a. That wouldn't work. Instead, because it's a question, it goes to the very front. All right, so I'll show you more in a minute. All right, adios, nos vemos pronto. See you soon.